guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite taco bowls. All right guys, welcome back to my channel. The kids are at school. I'm going to go pick them up here in a few minutes. And I want yummy, delicious taco bowl. And I don't want to go run out and go through fast food or whatever. I want to stay on track with my food and my meal plans. For those of you that don't know, I'm an online health and fitness coach, so I help girls reach their goals, help them be their healthiest selves, and you don't have to cut out food groups. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite taco bowl. You can customize this to what you want. The key is not having like portion control, making sure that you're having the right portions and not just overloading it with one food group more than another. And that's taken me time to figure out, but I'm just gonna share with you what I'm throwing in my bowl. All right, here we go. All right, the key is to get all the ingredients on your counter first and go from there. Of course, you don't need that little bit of cereal that somebody left there. I'll throw it on the floor because I know a puppy will get it. But I got a clear glass bowl so I can see what I'm having here. And then I grabbed all the stuff that I really want. So I've got some Himalayan pink sea salt. He heard it. He's like, there's a little piece of cereal. Let's see if he finds it. Did you see it? You missed it, Chevy. He's looking for it. All right, we're distracted. Okay, back to the video. I love fresh cracked black pepper. I love some rice. And typically before I started using these gorgeous little containers, I would like load up on rice. I probably would eat this whole thing, maybe half. I don't know. I just would enjoy it and I don't know when I would stop. So now I followed the containers and you'll be surprised how much actually fits in here. So I'm gonna have some rice. I want some lettuce. I want some corn in my bowl. I want some fresh lime juice. I don't actually juice my limes. I get some organic lime juice in the bottle. There's nothing in here but lime juice, 100% lime. It's like $4 or $5 for the bottle from Publix, but it's worth it. So you don't have to buy all these limes and juice them, and you only get a little bit. So I'll do a tablespoon of that. Fresh cilantro, corn if I didn't already say it, some cheese. Yes, you can reach your goals and still have cheese. It's just about limiting how much you have for the day. I'm probably gonna fill up half of this because I want some cheese or avocado later today. And if you want to see like a whole food list of like what goes in these containers, I have that. I give that to my girls that are part of my squad. Cilantro, and then I have some real fresh salsa that we get local. Love it. And so that counts as a veggie as well. I have some fresh tomatoes from my garden. I already threw in here, and I'm going to fill the rest of this container up with lettuce. And that's how we're going to make the taco bowl. And then for some protein, I have a veggie patty in the air fryer that will be done. Well, that is done. It just dinged. So I'll pull that out and cut it up into small pieces, and then I'll have some protein on my bowl too. All right, there's my finished product. Nope, I gotta add cilantro. See if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Now I can. So I've got rice and corn and fresh tomatoes and lettuce and lime juice, veggie patty, salsa, cilantro, salt and pepper. So yummy. I don't know if I mentioned corn. And while I was doing it, because I already had the corn out and the cheese and the rice, I just measured it out until the rice was gone. So now I'm gonna have the basis, I'll heat this up, you know, right before I add all the fresh ingredients for 2 more days. And I added salt and pepper. So all I have to do is add the fresh ingredients, and then I'll have taco bowls for lunch. So I like kind of meal prepping, not like super meal prepping, because then, I don't know, if you're heating it up, your lettuce and your cilantro is gonna get wilted, and the veggie patty I want crispy out of the air fryer. So anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All right, guys, if you like that video, or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Always lots of videos coming your way this month. Every Friday, lots of food videos, with it being Tasty Treat Friday. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.